Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the Mini Environmental Quality Advanced Meter, the IC-850027. The Mini Environmental Meter is capable of measuring 12 different environmental parameters. With this meter, you can measure wind speed, air temperature, air volume, relative humidity, wind chill, heat stress index, dew point, wet bulb, PT100 with the optional probe sold separately, barometric pressure, altitude, and visible light. The device also features minimum and maximum values, a hold function, and a backlight. In the box is a user guide with everything you need to get measuring with this meter. A CR2032 coin cell battery, a soft carry pouch with an adjustable wrist strap, and the IC-850027 environmental meter. Features of the meter include the anemometer vane, the LCD screen, 3 buttons, hold, power and record, the light sensor, the humidity and temperature sensor, the optional probe socket. This probe is sold separately, I've linked it in the description, a button operation quick reference label, the barometric pressure sensor, and the battery compartment. To get started, install the included button cell battery. Use a small coin to open the rear battery cover, a 10-cent coin works well. Insert the battery observing the polarity, then replace the cover and lock into place. Press the power button to turn the meter on. For a video on how to set up and take various environmental measurements using this meter, or if you would like to speak to an Instrument Choice scientist, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.